there, I am Stacy Spangler and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about what I do when I feel stuck in my creative process. Just wanted to take a quick look at some of the supplies that I used for this project. I've got some fabric and just some raw canvas here, and I've just kind of torn that so it would have a raw edge. I've got some papers that I got from my stash, a little bit of painted paper that was on some butcher paper there, some old music sheet, and then just some tracing paper that I'm going to do some stamping on. I'm going to be using a little bit of fiber paste and a palette knife. I've got some matte gel medium, and then of course my scissors, my glue, and a couple of marking tools. And then my stamp that I hand carved. I already had that. I did not do this specifically for this project. And then my archival ink here. So I'll just start off by stamping using my little stamp. This was just an eraser and I carved a circle. And this makes a great little stamp just in the circles. So I'm going to stamp here and we will get this ready. Okay, so what do I do when I feel stuck as an artist? I came out to my studio today and I was just not feeling like painting. I actually had some work that I had to get done and just wasn't motivated, wasn't inspired. And so I did the advice I always give other people, is to just create something. And so I've been really inspired lately by some of the collage and textile artists that I follow. You can read more about it on my blog, but I just decided to get my hands moving. And I love collage because I can use scraps and papers and things that I already have on hand. And it's almost like working a puzzle, and it does really get your creative juices flowing. And it always gets me out of kind of a blue state of mind or just a non-creative state of mind. In fact, I got a lot of work accomplished after I finished this little collage. So this was kind of my warm-up. And so I'll let you watch and enjoy the rest of the process, but you can check out all my links in the notes here. And if you like what you see, just follow me, hit the red button. And you can also follow me over on Instagram to see my daily creations there. And enjoy.